księżyc. Runęły dwie wieże i świat się
Okej,
zmienił.
Kali.
Nie ma tu już żadnej pandemii. Jebać system jak Neo, ja widzę ten Matrix. A ty bać się chcesz, ja widzę ten strach, start maski, suko.
Namaskar, my name is Vinesh. In this video, I'm just gonna react to a Polish rap. As one of you guys requested in my last reaction to Sla, one of my subscribers just gave a link. Vinesh react to Kali and Major new song. You know, fuck system. So that's the exact title of the song. They didn't even like put any like star or something to blur. To hide the. To reveal the full video. Full word, but they just like apparently just like gave the title of the music video fuck system. So that's the exact title. I don't know if they got demonetized or something, because in YouTube if you just like put the title with the curse words just like that, it will get like demonetized. I have no idea, but whatever, it's none of my business. But since you guys wanted me to react to check out this song, decided to react to the last song was fire. And since you guys requested, already I reacted to Kali and Major, this same duo collab. Puk I already reacted. You can check out my Polish playlist. So in this there are going to be many artists going to be here, I guess, like 1 2 3 4 given besides Kali and Major. So let's find out. Before getting into the reaction, I just want to say, if you're new and if you're not part of the V Gang, love familiar, yes, they call me subscribers as V Gang. Join the V Gang by hitting the subscribe and along with the notification bell. Do follow me in my social medias like Instagram, leave a like in my Facebook page, all this little stuff means the world to me. Link in the description down below. Yeah, also I got the translation, so I don't delay much further. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Let's go, V Gang. Also, if they, when it's like last song when I reacted to Puk, the video got blocked due to copyright, so I need to pass it like several points. I hope you understand to read out like translation. I hope you get it. Let's go. They got tank.
Często wybucham jak Semtex, wystarczy mi mały pretekst. Na pierwszej otwieram gazetę, wirusy i LGBT. Rzeczy święte tracą swą wartość, ludziom głowy wlewają bagno. Święte krowy kłamią i kradną, propagują chciwość i zazdrość.
Damn. The way of starting itself is amazing. Let's go for that translation. I often break out like Semtex. Okay, Semtex, I know. I played Call of Duty. It's like a grenade, just like grenade, but just burst out, stick and burst out. I just need a little excuse for the first one. I open the newspaper, viruses and LGBT. Okay, you open the newspaper, these are the things you just see. Newspaper, when you just open virus and LGBT, only things lose their value. They pour a swamp into people's head. Holy cow, lie and steal. They propagate greed and jealousy. Wow, fuck system. You expire. Wow, fuck the system. There is loyalty between us. I have torn many track suits on the wall. Many dogs sniffed and barked. Fuck these wars. That's my message. Damn, man. Sometimes when I just read out Polish lyrics, I just feel like, what?
Jebać system, tracicie ważność. Jebać system, między nami lojalność tu jest. Darłem na murku nie jeden dres, nie jeden pies. Weszył i szczekał, jebać te kurwy, taki ma przekaz. Farmazon sięga do głębi, fałszywe znaki na niebie jak księżyc. Runęły dwie wieże i świat się zmienił. Nie ma tu już żadnej pandemii. Jebać system jak Neo, ja widzę ten Matrix. A ty bać się chcesz, ja widzę ten strach, start maski, suko.
Ooh, the production is also so amazing. They are like military people, and they want to say fuck the system. So basically it happens like, whatever the government may be, sometimes you just get sick of all those things and you just say, fuck the system, man. People judge. In society itself, we just say like that. If we just want to do something in our life, people judge, so we just say fuck the society. But if it's like fuck the system, that's what, like, exactly, system, society, that everything, that's what it is. So kind of sucks. We gotta go through.
Wyjedź pod czaszki i podprogowy przekaz w kosmos. Choć chuj wie, czy on istnieje, jedno jest pewne, służymy masonom. Big Pharma, Monsanto, Watykan, elity, QAnon, świetliści, Valhalla, Trump.
Walala.
Jeszcze? To ten rap wczuty społecznie. Sasin nam zrobił wybory? Co ty wiesz, kurwa, o flexie?
Okay, I think the next guy came. So let's go for the translation. What Sarius, okay. And when it is no, there will be a bees, acid and dust from the batteries. Oh, on the leaves instead of dew, instead of the surname goes, which or your fingers fucked from the feed. You will have to write in the application, good citizen. Even politician over it say fuck with the state. In fact, we are only ruled by the corporation. They want to say the politics. I mean the government, exactly as I said. We are only ruled by the corporation. Of course, man, that's true. Orders, black poor. I don't think about it. Fuck your money like a sucker. Fuck. And so many fuck, man. I just gotta say it. Until you fall. I don't know if I just get demonetized or something. For punishment and reward, jump like a prayer. Repeat this mantra. As always, every era will fall. Their pawns are already gathering into army. Fuck system. Again, oh my god, a lot of kurwas. Let's go.
Pędem bezwiednie, biegnie na rzeźnie. Pewnie znów obca, co dali jej wybór. Z lewej cwaniaków oszustów, a z prawej agentów wpływu. O czym? Z Jeruzalem gada Rockefeller i którego stopnia masonem jest, dziwisz? Tego nie dowiesz się z TV, za to masz strach, nienawiść, nihilizm. Propaganda Sionu, sojusz ołtarza i tronu. Chcemy Armagedonu tego Babilonu i w tym naborze dopomóż. Jebani.
This guy is so fire. His name is I think as per the lyrics, his name is Sarius. And now I think Sarius and Kali, yeah. Now again Kali sings, and after that Kamalita. I think a female gonna come. I don't know. Let's find out. Okay.
I w tym naborze dopomóż. Jebani okradli i skłócili naród. Pierdolę Sejm, pierdolę
Ali.
Senat. Franciszek popiera przemoc i pedałów. Trzeba bronić kraju, bo to mamy w genach. Cyfrowe banki ci znajdą ofertę, kontrola i siano. Ty podpisz formularz, jakaś fasola. Morawiecki ma bekę, z nami nie pierdolisz, to już nie porucha.
Kali is fire, man. Literally so fire. And just look at this tank. I don't know how they just got this tank. It's amazing. Like literally, it's a real tank though. I don't know how they got the permission, but even though they wanna, I don't know, probably they got like some permission. I mean, from the government exactly, but they wanna just sing a song which is exactly against the government. I have no idea, but this is like looks like a real tank. I think it's a real tank. It's amazing. Just look at them.
Podpisz formularz, jakaś fasola. Morawiecki ma bekę, z nami nie pierdolisz, to już nie poruchasz. Ostateczny sąd musi upaść, kamień do rąk nie styka. Komik, bandana, siekiera i łot. Nim twoje miasto przejmie jakiś gigant na ulicach kas. System na ustach, zakazane pieśni dla powstańców usta.
Damn. They're spitting on real boss. The verse is also so fire. So okay, what do you wanna say? Kali again. Former zone goes deep, false signs in the sky like a moon. Two towers collapsed and the world has changed. There is no pandemic here. Oh, fuck the system. Like Neo, I see this matrix and you scared, be afraid, and you want to be afraid. I can see this fear from the above the mask. Bitch, I am howling from under the skull. Subliminal message into the space. Although he knows if he exists, one thing is certain: we serve the free masons, big pharma, Monsanto, the Vatican, luminaries, Balala, Trump. Oh.
Jebać system.
To taka czora w pierdolę z frytkami, którek na tacy przyniesie mi danie. Każda kobieta w tym kraju to skarb. Dajcie dziadowi porządne ruchanie, a każdemu księdzu to urwiemy
He's
jaja.
Kamalito, I guess.
Nie jest gorszy niż rak. My mamy władzę, nie żadne mohery. Pisowcu jebany, ustawa na blat. Jeba, za parę getach to trzeba zaciomani skurwiele bez róż. Pierdolę system, a każdy polityk to typowy tchórz.
Fire, man. So I thought by seeing the name, I don't know if that was like female artist who's gonna come up with something, Kamalito, but I don't know. I just figured it out, but it seems Kamalito is the one who sang right now. Just amazing, man, so far. Let's go for the translation again. What Kamalito? Do you remember the types of me yet? What it's like a rap social? I rush unknowingly. She probably runs to the slaughterhouse again, which they gave her a choice. On the left, crooks, cheaters, and on the right, agents of influence. What Rockefeller was taking to Jerusalem about, and which degree Dizibis is a mason. I don't know, something a little bit of messed up or at that point. You won't find out on TV, but you have a fear, hatred, propaganda of Zion, the alliance of the altar and the throne. We want Armageddon of this Babylon, and in this God help us. Amen. Oh.
mam miłości, szacunku, a w klapsie otwiera się luz. Kiedy was widzę, to ślina z mych ust. Czarna jak kawa albo po niej wóz.
Pierdolę ten COVID to ściema. Kurestwo to dla mnie prawdziwa pandemia. Ja się odcinam od tego jak fenian. W młodych ludziach została nadzieja. Uwierz, masoni szykują nam finał. Co to za temat, ej, co to za klimat? Facet z facetem to ma być rodzina. Że kurwiać zaczynam, nie mogę wytrzymać. Te fakty...
Ooh. This guy is the intro. Okay. I think Intrus. That's the guy who's singing right now. And after that, I think the other guys will be coming, or I don't know. They are the producers. Let's
To
see.
jebany fake. Niech przewiną cokolwiek o Pizzagate. Idioci to pewnie nie jadą.
Pizzagate?
Klasa średnia zanika, zarabia Amazon. Nie słyszę o wielkich Polakach. Słyszę o komo, obszernia to zomo. Grono dewiantów hańbi tu nasze symbole. Jak jesteś z nimi, cię szczerze pierdolę.
Damn, this guy his flow is like next level. Intrus. Okay. Fuck Robbed and quarreled the nation. Fuck the system. Fuck the Senate. They wanna fuck everyone, man.
Jebać TV, jebać biedę. Polska to nie LGBT. Kto nam przywołać jak bydło, pandemia to pretekst.
Jebać system,
That's pretty
jebać
much it.
system,
That's
jebać system, jebać
fuck the
system.
system. Fuck the system. Okay. Guys, what a song. That was insane. I don't know if I just even get blocked by YouTube or something, but just play a little bit. But I don't know if they block the video. I try to just upload either in like some Google Drive or something. I'll put a link. I'll try to just do my best. That was okay, man. Fuck the system. Like there were a lot of fucks. Literally, they were like, what to say, put the full energies. I really respect. That was a good, awesome video. Thanks for letting me know. And thank you guys for watching. Kurva, Jingu and G. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here. Follow me in my Instagram, Facebook page. All this little stuff means all to be linked in the description. With being said, I'm just going to end this video right here. As always, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.